September ka kubor ye ka bani na ka shintur ka jamu shakri ho jame. Alam ka kubor ka bani ram ka ban krishani haga jinglong ka ban jamasi. Rago mulai jing ba apne ni duai na ka ye alam jamu shakri ho jame. एक बार रोटी की बन्नी ने किसी तूर पे जाऊंगी एक और में कमता कि नौ संसार की जोगी हबो जो के चला बात कुंजूर अगर ये इंडिया के एक की जोगी नानु विश्व मिनिस्टर हाय कि मिनिस्टर की बटान हक चला का जोगी ये बटान ये करने को बकिया घूमनो ये कबन दुनिया ये के जिसा जो जिसा के एक निकसी पावर स्लो को पाए के जिनका पार को जो मार कर लो इनका पावर की मनुष्य अगर करते न चीज किसने क्यों नहीं हुआ आना सच्चे विज्ञान सुभान एक फ्लैट केस ना मिजोरम सिनोड यात्रा सिनोड मणिपुर सिनोड they are very inspired. Your presence with us, the graduate kids from different villages have come to witness with us. Di kebiasaan baru yaitu dan Dr. Lamswat Zula, Secretary Senior of PCI, at the same time is the ex-secretary of the
and he shared his experience with me. He said he has his whole his ministry by himself. Elderly people. And the elderly people are the most neglected people. Nobody is willing to talk with them, to sit with them.
I
went to them. I said with them, we have to open up a ministry for the people. Those people, those members of our church who find it difficult to work.